giving the feeling I can't control. Way down, deep in my soul.
Top that with my feet down low. Turn it up, no need to be under. The room in my face will rock you like thunder. So make way for the joy when it rains. Down with the sound of the grace and the gas.
Cyrus, why do you want to embarrass me?
It's not what I want to do.
Then what was that nonsense out there? When I appointed you choir director, I assumed your talent would be used to sing praises to the Lord.
Well, I know that. That's why it was a gospel rap and not, something inappropriate.
Any rap is inappropriate as far as I'm concerned. Rap is the devil's music and does not belong in a house of worship.
Honey.
We will not have this discussion again.
Yes, sir. Chris, coming through with the hot beats. Wait. Who's rapping tonight? Bling? Again? Man, I can't stand him. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, let me get on this. I'll see you at the club. Man, no, I don't have to sneak out. I'm my own man.
Hey, people don't know my rap game is tight too. I just, I keep it on the low.
We always enjoy you, Chris.
We should get together sometime, keep this whole vibe going.
Anytime.
No, nice to meet you. I'm Cyrus. Chris's invisible friend since kindergarten.
Oh, my bad, man. Did you want to eat those, honey?
No, I wasn't interested anyway. They're not my type.
Wait, fine is not your type.
No, I just want a girl who's about something, a girl that's substance. A girl I can take to Atlanta Jazz Museum. Feel me?
No, I don't. Forget that, all right? There are plenty of honeys in here. Oh, sorry. What up with the new beats, bud? You hook me up?
Yeah, got 'em right here.
My man. Hopefully.
Cyrus, quit talking.
Levi, sorry I got caught up.
Come on, get these tables busted.
I'm on it.